Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll show you how to set up and customize the custom liquid section in your store. The custom liquid section allows you to insert custom liquid code into your store, enabling advanced functionality and personalized features. This gives you greater flexibility to customize your store's design and behavior, helping you better meet your business needs and improve user experience. Accessing the section. To access the custom liquid section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Then navigate to Templates and locate the custom liquid section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings, then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to Templates and select the custom liquid section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Custom Liquid and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the custom liquid section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, and both. Here you can paste your custom liquid code to add advanced features and tailor the section to your needs. Match the custom liquid section to your store's branding with color schemes including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. And that's it. Your custom liquid section is now fully set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.